easy PYQ which can fetch easy marks if the concept behind it is understood properly without any confusion. Which of the following arteries is not a part of Circle of Willis? This is PYT 6 of our Final Leap series. If you haven't watched the previous reel, go check it out after this video. So as always, we'll see a bit of concept before answering this question. Branches of basilar artery and the internal carotid arteries anastomose at the base of brain around the interpeduncular fossa, forming a six-sided polygon of arteries called circulus arteriosus or circle of Willis. It contributes to most of the arterial blood supply to the brain. And formation of the circle of Willis, anteriorly it is formed by anterior communicating artery and anterior cerebral arteries. Posteriorly it is formed by basilar artery dividing into two posterior cerebral arteries. And laterally on each side it is formed by posterior communicating artery which connects the internal carotid artery with the posterior cerebral artery. But why is this circle of Willis very important? Normally, there is no mixing of blood between the arteries of both sides of the brain. So, the internal carotid artery and the vertebral artery on the right side supplies right side of the brain, whereas the internal carotid artery and the vertebral artery on the left side supplies the left side of the brain. But when there is a block in one of the major arteries supplying the brain, the circle of Willis acts as an arterial traffic circle and provides various alternative routes for collateral circulation to continuous supply of blood to the brain. So as you can see, so far in the picture, we haven't talked about the middle cerebral artery because though it is a branch of internal carotid artery, it does not form a role in forming the circle of Willis. It is a straightforward question with a straightforward answer, but it is frequently repeated in NEET PG. So never miss this question if it is asked. The answer for this is middle cerebral artery.